Hello, a warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Coinbase has introduced a new payments protocol for online payments that enables stablecoin transfers over standard internet protocols and AI agents to transact autonomously. On May 6th, Coinbase announced that it is launching a protocol called X402 for instant stablecoin payments directly over the Internet Communication Protocol (HTTP). It allows application programming interface, apps, and AI agents to transact seamlessly, unlocking a faster, automated internet economy, the firm stated. However, X402 embeds stablecoin payments directly into web interactions, requiring minimal code integration and is designed for both humans and AI agents to transact value as easily as exchanging data. Crypto exchange platform CoinSwitch on Wednesday announced its 5th edition of Proof of Reserve data, stating that the company's overall holdings of crypto and Indian currency balances were higher than those of its customers. The company's total reserves, including crypto and INR balances, were recorded at 2,764.2 crore rupees, while customer holdings stood at 2,138.64 crore rupees as of March 2025. The company's reserves represented a surplus of 625.56 crore rupees. When it came to the holdings of virtual digital asset alone, the company said the crypto user holdings were recorded at rupees 2,043.15 crore rupees, whereas CoinSwitch's total crypto asset holdings stood at 2,576.54 crore rupees. POR is the proof that a financial entity has the holdings it claims to have. Solana has just crossed a major milestone in 2025, according to new data from top ledger decentralized exchanges built on Solana have processed over $806.8 billion in trading volume so far this year, and we are only in May. This is not just a step up, it's nearly a 400% jump from the same point last year when Solana DEX volume stood at around $201 billion. The growth is staggering and it cements Solana's place at the center of this year's on-chain trading activity. A huge part of that volume came in January, which alone accounted for more than $408 billion. The spike was driven by a strong crypto market rally that began in November 2024 and peaked in early 2025. Arizona Governor Katie Hobbs has signed a bill into law allowing the U.S. state to keep unclaimed crypto and establish a Bitcoin reserve fund that won't use any taxpayer money or state funds. Also, Hobbs signed House Bill 2749 into law on May 7th, which allows Arizona to claim ownership of abandoned digital asset if the owner fails to respond to communications within 3 years. The state's custodians can stake the crypto to earn rewards or receive airdrops, which can then be deposited into what Arizona has called a Bitcoin and Digital Asset Reserve Fund. The Office of the Comptroller of the Currency confirmed on May 7th that federally chartered banks and savings associations are not allowed to offer crypto services such as custody and execution, including through third-party providers. This is elaborated in the interpretive letter 1184 and extends prior guidance to make it clear that banks can engage in the business of digital asset as long as they meet certain risk management and legal requirements. The OCC also explained that institutions can engage in buying and selling of assets on behalf of customers and outsourcing other crypto-related services such as custody and trading. Changpeng Zhao, the founder and former CEO of Binance, has formally requested a pardon from US President Donald Trump following media reports that claimed that he has sought one. Zhao revealed on the Faro radio podcast aired Tuesday that he submitted the pardon application through his lawyers 2 weeks ago, prompted by media reports speculating about his intentions. CZ spent 4 months in jail back in 2024 after pleading guilty to money laundering charges and prohibited from working for Binance as part of the deal. However, he acknowledged on the podcast that the article spurred his decision to formally apply, saying, "If they are writing this article, we might as well just officially apply." Valor Incorporation, the digital asset wing of DeFi Technologies, is keeping up the momentum. The company just rolled out 2 fresh ETPs, one for Litecoin and another for CurveDAO, on Sweden's Spotlight stock market. With this move, Valor now has over 65 crypto investment products live, inching closer to its big 2025 goal, hitting 100 ETPs. The new listings are part of a broader plan to simplify crypto investing. Both ETPs are priced in Swedish krona and come with a 1.9% management fee. Robinhood is making bold moves to bridge European investors with US stocks by exploring tokenization through Solana and Arbitrum. According to Bloomberg, the financial services firm is developing a platform that will offer European Union users access to tokenized US securities, bringing Wall Street closer to Main Street in Europe. According to the report, Robinhood is partnering with a crypto-native financial firm and is currently considering Solana and Arbitrum to power the tokenization layer. While a final decision is still under wraps, the move aligns with Robinhood's recent regulatory victories, including securing a brokerage license in Lithuania. Tron DAO has partnered with Moonpay, a renowned crypto payment provider, to make it easier for US customers to purchase TRX, the Tron blockchain's native token. This new partnership is a major step forward in Tron's objective to make blockchain technology more accessible and widely used in global financial systems. As of now, US users can purchase TRX directly on the Moonpay platform, which acts as a simple gateway between traditional money and cryptocurrencies. This gives American users easy access to Tron's fast-growing decentralized ecosystem, where over 8.3 million transactions happen every day. Tron's TRX token is up by 2%, trading around $0.2512. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, released its 30th Proof of Reserve report, revealing its holding of $58 billion in Bitcoin and $82 billion of other cryptocurrencies. The snapshot taken on May 1, 2025 provides a detailed look at user asset holdings, reinforcing trust in the platform following industry-wide calls for accountability since the FTX collapse in 2022. As per the data shared on exchange's official website, Bitcoin alongside Ethereum, BNB, Solana and XRP remains the largest crypto holding of the exchange, while stablecoins like USDT, FDUSD and USDC also accounting for a significant amount. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mirchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3TV, and for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3university.io or scan the QR code.